Here we're going to look at factoring a difference of squares. Now these ones might look a little bit odd because we have the variable coming second. But notice difference of squares is just that you have a first term and a last term that are both perfect squares. They have to be subtracted from each other. How do I know they have to be subtracted? Well, the pattern on these, right, is that we have the same values, but if one is plus, one is minus, that's what caused our middle term to cancel. So difference of squares usually stands out because you don't have a middle term. So I think, okay, if I'm foiling, the only way I can use perfect squares to get 25 is 5 times 5. And to get the middle term to cancel, I have to do plus and minus. So what times what would give me 81z squared? So if I did plus 9z and minus 9z, and then check and see, the inside term is 45z, and the outside term is negative 45. So that's why those canceled and there's no middle term. So same thing on the other one. I see that it's missing a middle term, so I'm thinking it's difference of squares. I also notice that 49 and 4 are perfect squares. So I think 7 times 7, and then 2x and minus 2x. So think if I FOIL, 7 times 7 is 49, 2x times negative 2x is negative 4x squared, and the plus 14x and the minus 14x, your inside-outside terms would cancel. So I just noticed the pattern. It doesn't change it if the variable is second. Still the difference of two perfect squares.